All right, we're having some issues with the lights flip-flopping, one up, one down. We just put 2 new motors in it, and we got the night ride lights on. On these lights, you have a high beam, low beam, ground. You have an open and a close. On the other side, it's dark blue, light blue, passenger, dark green, light green. What I'm gonna do, you can see the plug plugs in this way. Yeah. Anyway, let's see. I think it plugs in this way. It's hard to do with one hand, but I'm gonna try to show y'all. Yeah, this way. So what I'm gonna do, this is the 2 that runs the up, open, close. So, and it's flip flopping. I'm gonna flop these 2 around, see what that does. It should fix it. I'm not guarantee. Pick you up some of these keys. If you don't have any already, y'all can pick them up cheap off the marketplace. So flop them around. I'll let you know what's up. All right, I've got them flopped around now. So, and all I've done, this is the key that you need for the square. So let's go see what they'll do. And when you do it, be sure, go ahead and wind her down, because the other one's down. Or wind her up. Right now I have everything just temporary hooked up, so. All right, cross your fingers. There she goes. And of course, y'all know that to get them in the down. So, what I gotta do, let's see. Okay, they're up now. And that's the way to do it. Just flip it around on this side if you have any issues like that. Especially we just done some new motors and they're not all the same. You can see light blue, dark blue. If you have a flip-flop issue like that, don't flip them on this. Flip on here. So it would be right here, we'd flip it around. So we didn't have to do it to this side. You could do either or. And of course this one was the this one's a light green, dark green. Don't flip the plug, flip the new plug. So, and it's these, as much as I hate to say Chinese, I'm just not that type of person that's gonna call Chinese out, but that's how they wire these things sometimes, you know. But anyway, we got it worked out, and set her on parking lights, and y'all see what she looks like. We can get her back together now. And, everybody knows what these lights are. All right, let's finish the job.